OUGH Sound Exercise. Choose the rhyming words. Choose the two OUGH words that rhyme. I'm looking for the British English pronunciation of these words. I'll give you 5 seconds before revealing the correct answers. Pause the video if you need more time. 5 seconds, let's go. The rhyming words are dough, and though. Activity 2. I'll reveal the answer in 5. The rhyming words are tough and enough. Here's activity 3. Go. The rhyming words are ought and thought. Number 4. Are you ready? 5 seconds. The rhyming words are slough and plough. And number 5. The rhyming words are cough and trough. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more pronunciation exercises.